Alright, really fast video today. I got an email asking me about the circle trick in Quantum, and I thought I was just going to make a video for this one person, but I'll just put it on my YouTube channel, might as well. So I'm going to get the camera set up, and then I'll try to get a good example of the Quantum circle trick or circle hack or point hack on video and explain it a little bit. Okay, here we go. We'll see how this turns out. So I'll start a one-player game. I'm just going to start on level 1. And the whole idea is that obviously the object of the game is to circle these balls before your track runs out. Make a complete circle and they go away, and you get 300 points for each one. So I got 380 because I circled a couple of these little dots too, which give you some extra points. But if you circle one and keep circling it fast enough, you get the points over and over again each time you complete a circle. So I'm just circling the little dot that was in the middle, and I'm getting 300 points each time. And as long as you're able to keep this up, you can do it. If too much time goes by before you complete your circle, or you miss a circle, you're done and the level is over. So I'll try it again. So I didn't get it started fast enough that time. So you do have to be quick. And again, I missed it there. And what I find is that when I'm doing this, I can keep it up for a while, but then I have a tendency to actually, like, my hand starts to slip to one side or the other, and you don't ever have time to readjust. I can't move my hand back to, like, the center of the trackball. It's moving over to the right now, just because of the way it's rolling, I don't know, underneath my hand. So eventually you lose it, and you can't keep this up, and you have to start again. Now there's one more thing you can do also. If you circle 2, you can actually keep the 2 dots and keep circling 2 for double the points. Now, because I circled 2 at once, it showed that I got 600 for each of those instead of 300 for each one. But even though you're circling, I was just circling one of the dots at the end there, even though it said 600 each time, I was really only getting 300 points added to my score each time. So it's part of the glitch or whatever. So here we go, 300 each time. And I just go around and around, and you know, this is just a way of building up some points and some free men in some of the early levels. By the time you get to the later levels, level 9 or 10 or so, there's just too much going on to actually get this to happen much. I'm usually not successful in getting it started then. So I try in a good game to do this as much as I can at the beginning. And so, you know, it is definitely a hack. It's not something that was considered by the programmers, but I still think it's legit because, and by legit I mean like in a, whatever, a Twin Galaxies or an arcade scoring run, that you should still be allowed to do it, because it is something that if you try it, it takes some skill and it takes some practice to be able to do it and keep it up. And there's one more weird thing that happened too. If you've circled dots a whole bunch of times, so see, I'm going to circle this like 10 times, and now if I die, I should start this level again because I still have 3 dots to destroy, but instead the level's over because somehow it registered that I circled like 5 dots there. So there's one more little weird thing that happens with this game. So you can see there gets to be so much going on that it's hard to keep it up or get one started. I'm only on level 6 here, and I haven't, just to show this, I haven't been really trying to do it as much as I normally would, but so I'll leave 1 dot and then try. And really what makes it difficult is those little things that just start coming out, those little triangles that shoot across too. So anyway, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. That is the Quantum circle trick or hack.